Good morning, guys. This is Jess with CFit Studio for another Trainer Talk. I wanted to touch on meal prep this morning. We have our meal prep workshop coming up this Saturday with our dietitian Jean Maxwell and a special guest, a Spice Master. So if you haven't RSVP'd, please do so and let us know if you want to come and learn or if you want to come learn, prep yourself, and take food home. We are offering both things this weekend. But I wanted to touch on meal prep because it is an awesome tool and I don't want you guys to disregard this tool. This is a great way to take control over what you eat throughout the week, regardless of what life throws at you. But that said, sometimes it's confusing. You don't know what to heat or what to eat or how to prep or how much to prep, things like that. It can get very confusing, but Jean has been awesome. She has been setting up a lot of nutrition corners, doing 1 or 2 events every single month in the last couple months. It's been wonderful. And so we really want to help you succeed, and that's what this weekend is all about. So if you have thought about, or if you've tried meal prep, you still have some issues, come, learn, ask questions. But another thing that we're going to go over this weekend is it's going to be a no need to heat workshop, which is awesome because sometimes we do learn how to meal prep, but then we get in a situation where we're out and we're about and we got our food and it's great, but then we don't have any way to heat it up, or we have it in a plastic container and there's an oven and that's great, but then I've got a plastic container and you don't put plastic in the oven, things like that. So what do you do there? So this meal prep, not only can you learn how and what, things like that, but we're also going to be doing no need to heat. So you can eat it out and about wherever you are. It's going to be awesome. So, and I promise it's not just going to be only salads either. So if you haven't RSVP'd, please do so. Again, you can just come and learn, and that's $20, or you can come learn and take home food in awesome glass containers for $30. This is a wonderful thing. Take advantage of this access to the dietitian that we have, and come learn, take control when everybody else wants you to go in different directions. That way, no matter what, you can stay your course. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day, a great rest of your week, and we will see you Saturday, 10:30 for the No Need to Heat Meal Prep Workshop. Thanks, guys. Bye.